Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Xtm Xt2e. It's gonna be a quick test hit. Last time I had it out, not this weekend, the weekend before when I was drag racing it, my TP shaft snapped. So I had no brakes. I ended up hitting myself and the table. I snapped one of my shocks and I broke something else. I fixed it, but I ordered all new sets of shocks for this thing because I couldn't find these. And you know what I'm saying, I got the fronts as well, same color. So we're just gonna do some testing, make sure everything is right with it, and see how I like it. Right, so we should be set up. Let's see how she hold up with this shock. Pulling straight. So I want to make sure she ain't going over the place. Shock oil didn't even work for these shocks. I had to use diff fluid. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's 4S, y'all. I'll be touching on 4. I am gonna put this on 8S, man, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Getting nice though. I'm liking the shocks, man. Seem pretty dialed to me. Got these shocks on eBay from I think it was 40 something bucks, all 4. They say it was for the Creighton, big bore Creighton shocks. It wasn't big bore, but they decent shocks. So I ain't mad at what I paid for them. They're working right now, so I ain't got no complaints. What I wanted to do, so that's good for me. Alright, hopefully I can, well, I'm alright, y'all, so here's the deal, right? I need a range extender. I done ran out of range on my road with the Limitless. I was trying to pull it and it kept going. It crashed on the sidewall, but it's good after that or whatever. But it's time for a range extender. So right now I'm gonna be easy on the speed run, so my range extender comes. Hopefully it's plug and play. If it is, I'm gonna do a tutorial on it anyway, but it's gonna be for the DX5C. It was better than buying a whole new Futaba remote or a better remote with more receivers. I just said I'm gonna go with what I got. Just hope this range extender works. It's supposed to, so we'll see. That's running good, man. Yeah, one more pull, we're gonna call it a day. Alright, one more. I couldn't resist. One more, y'all. Couldn't resist. Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Xtm Xt2e. I'm liking the shocks that I put up there. So far they're handling great. I'm gonna go ahead and get a speed run in hopefully soon. Hopefully this weekend, we'll see what's up. Anyway, y'all stay tuned, more to come from this.